We picked Dr. Johnston because he has similar values to our family, and it actually is really nice that he can come to our house versus go to a doctor's office. He comes in and takes care of all of us. So if we all have a cold, he looks at all of us, and I don't have to have an appointment for each child.
I love that I can text him at any time and he will get back with me. Sometimes if I just need a short phone conversation with him, we can just set that up that day and visit, and he is so accessible, whereas other doctors wouldn't even dream of letting you have their cell phone number.
Yeah, we really like Dr. Johnston's practice because he's pro-life, but also he really cares about my family, and he comes to our home to do in-home consultations, and that's really convenient and fantastic for us.
We have 8 kids, so as a family of 10, it's hard to get everyone into a doctor for an annual well checkup, but Dr. Johnston comes to our home. He sits at the dining room table, he does a well checkup on everyone, and he leaves, and within 2 hours, I've had a well checkup on 10 people.
I so appreciate Dr. Johnston because he is good with parents having vaccine choice over their children, whatever they feel led to do or feel is right, that he doesn't pressure us or push us to do that, and if we choose not to do that, he is fine with that. That was huge for us in choosing Dr. Johnston as our doctor.
About 1.5 years ago, our family had COVID, and Dr. Johnston prescribed ivermectin. It was so nice. He called the pharmacy when we had some issues getting it and verified that the pharmacist would fill that medication for us. He also gave us a protocol of different supplements and vitamins to use to help us clear up.
Having been a medical director of 2 nursing homes, I think the best and safest place for our elderly parents and grandparents is living with their family. And so I designed my fee schedule so that if you let your elderly parent or grandparent come live with you, it may only increase your price $5 or $10 a month, even though it might be 10 times more work for me, because I want to promote that, and I'm excited about that aspect of your home family practice. The need is so desperate in our community right now for a direct primary care physician who will come to you so that you can avoid the germ-filled waiting rooms of ERs and urgent cares and your pediatrician's office. And that's one of the benefits of my care. You sign up on my website, yourhomemedicalcare.com, make an appointment, and I come to you. Last year, Atrium and Novant, the 2 largest medical conglomerates in Charlotte, voted for a policy to disallow their pediatricians and their family practice docs to continue to keep patients who don't get all the shots. However, I respect your vaccine choice. I'm independent. I'm not an employee. And it's important to me that people like us who don't get all the vaccines can get the care we need without being browbeat and kicked out of practices just when we need the doctor the most. I hope to be that doctor for you. Charlotte, North Carolina is the largest homeschool community in the world. And it's a shame that there are not more physicians who are comfortable with vaccine choice and homeschooling. I also have 10 children, and all of them have been birthed at home, so I'm a strong proponent of home birthing. So if you want a physician who's going to respect your choice to not vaccinate, to homeschool, to home birth, I'm your doctor.